Diolch. Hi, this is Siobhan from Bitesize Irish Gaelic. Here's how to say yes in Irish. There are no words in Irish for yes or no. In the present tense, there are two different ways of answering yes. There are two different types of question structures. The first type begins with the Irish word on and is followed by a noun. For example, An Meiriceánach tú. An Meiriceánach tú. Are you an American? Meiriceánach is the noun. To answer yes to this question, you say Iss Mer-ih-cawn-okh me. Iss Mer-ih-cawn-okh me. Or, the short version is Shah. Iss Eh. Commonly pronounced Shah. The second type of sentence structure also begins with on, but is followed by a verb. For example, Untitled. Are you there? On, will, to, on. The word will in the sentence is a form of the verb be, meaning to be. To answer yes to this question, on, will, to, on, you say tá me, which literally means I am, as in I am there. The short answer is you answer yes by using the positive form of the verb used to ask the question. To learn more about how to say yes in Irish, take a free trial of Bitesize Irish Gaelic.